Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a radical question where we have square root of x plus 3 is equals to x plus 1. Let's provide solution to this question. We have right here very quickly by copy x plus 3 equals to x plus 1. And the first thing here is to square both sides in order to remove this radical we have right here, where we shall still remain with x plus 3, which is equal to x plus 1 squared. And we can interchange them to get x plus 1 squared, which is equal to x plus 3. Then here x plus 1 squared can be written as x squared plus 2x then plus 1, which is equal to x plus 3. At this stage we can group like terms to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x plus here, that is minus 3, will be 0, and of course x squared plus 2x then minus x plus 1 minus 3 will be 0. Right at this stage we have this one, and of course here shall say x squared plus x minus 2 will be 0, and of course this is a quadratic equation. At this stage we can find two numbers we can multiply to get negative 2, and their sum is positive 1, that is 2, negative 2 and 1. So x squared plus here, that is plus 2x then plus x minus x then minus 2 will be 0, and of course here we shall factorize x to get x plus 2 and factorize negative 1 here to get x plus 2 to be 0. Then we can group these numbers outside of bracket to get x minus 1 times x plus 2 will be 0, where x minus 1 will be 0, or x plus 2 will be 0. At this stage x equals to 1, and here x equals to negative 2. And of course here you are supposed to check if the answer is correct. We have given question square root of x plus 3 equals x plus 1. Once we use this x, which is equal to 1, we shall say square root of 1 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 1 question mark, and shall say square root of 4 is equals to 2 question mark. Square root of 4 is equal to 2, which is equal to 2. Then left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that this value of x is correct. Once we come upon to another value, we shall plug in negative 2. We have square root of x plus 3, which is equal to x plus 1, and here I have square root of negative 2 plus 3 will be negative 2 plus 1, and of course here we have square root of 1, which is equal to question mark negative 1, and of course here I have square root of 1 is equal to 1, which is not equal to negative 1, so we shall reject this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.